Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of AI, writing tools to explore whether cohesive AI has what it takes to dethrone the reigning champion, ChatGPT. Could cohesive AI be the ultimate ChatGPT killer? The link to cohesive AI is in the description. At first glance, cohesive AI impresses with its user-friendly interface and diverse selection of templates. Whether you're a marketer, a sales professional, or a blogger, Cohesive AI offers templates tailored to your specific needs. This makes it easy to generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Furthermore, Cohesive AI's pricing model is another strong selling point. With a free tier available, users can test the waters and explore the platform's capabilities without any financial commitment. And for those who require more advanced features, Cohesive AI's subscription plans are competitively priced, offering excellent value for money. However, the true test of any AI writing tool lies in the quality of its output. In this regard, Cohesive AI delivers mixed results. While it excels in generating content quickly, some users may encounter occasional inaccuracies or inconsistencies. This necessitates manual editing or refinement to ensure the final output meets expectations. Comparatively, ChatGPT remains a formidable competitor with its reliability and consistency. Users familiar with ChatGPT's interface may find it challenging to transition to cohesive AI, despite its user-friendly design. Additionally, ChatGPT's reputation for producing high-quality content precedes it, making it a preferred choice for many content creators. In conclusion, while cohesive AI shows great promise as a ChatGPT alternative, it falls short of being a definitive ChatGPT killer. Its user-friendly interface and affordable pricing make it an attractive option for newcomers to the world of AI writing tools. However, its output quality and reliability still lag behind that of ChatGPT. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.